What does unstoppable mean to you?
Well, unstoppable is something, here's the thing, when people see someone from the inside who has achieved everything, they think that they are lucky or they have the right people around them or all the reasons kind of excuse themselves why they can be unstoppable or successful. But in my opinion, unstoppable is someone who is never giving up. They have their vision, they know what they want, and because of course on this way there's going to be ups and downs, and the question is, what are you doing in these moments when you are down, when you feel lonely, when nothing is going your way? Then you just get up, you clear your dust, and you're just going after your vision, and then again, and then again, and then again, up until the moment you achieve your goal. This is what means unstoppable.
Īstenībā tas ir tas iemesls, kāpēc es šeit stāvu, tāpēc, ka es jūs saprotu.
Meditācija par tēmu māte un tēvs. Tas bija ļoti tik aizkustinoši, jo vecāki man ir aizsaulē abi divi.
Cilvēki ir ļoti atvērti, tiek izrunātas visas, pilnīgi visas dzīves situācijas, bet paņem daļu no tā, un arī kaut šāda maz daļiņa būs ļoti daudz un ļoti labi.
Šī mūzika, šīs skaņas, tas bija tas ļoti īpaši.